Hi students, Civil 3D has the ability to project AutoCAD points, blocks, 3D solids, 3D polylines, Civil 3D Coco points, feature lines and survey figures to section views. Each of the objects listed can be projected to a section view and labeled appropriately. In this exercise, we will project several Coco points and an AutoCAD cylinder solid to a section view. So you can open 1203 drawing from the description link, and once you will open, you will see a current project which we are using for this complete Civil 3D advanced course. So on the home tab, you will see profile and section views panel. Here we have section views and select project object to multiple section view. We use this tool when we have many objects around the sample lines and we want to object them at once in all the section. So you will see how can we do that. Just click any sample lines when prompt at the command line. Select the sample line or section view. You can select any one and it will open with project objects to multiple section view dialog box. Here in the project objects to multiple section view dialog box, we have two projection rules: by percentage or by distance. Usually we use by distance. So you just select by distance, and for example, you have section right, left, and you have many objects. You can see here in preview. So you will put distance before and distance after. So it will show you accordingly in your section view. So here we will select distance before 25 and distance after 25 feet. Also, the distance before and distance after tells Civil 3D how far away from the sample line to look for object for projection. This tool will pick up all the object types listed in the name column that is encountered. If you do not want certain types of objects to be projected to a section view, just clear the checkbox here. For Coco points, feature lines and survey figures, the default behavior for the tool is to use the object style section settings. You can override this by clicking in the style and choosing a projection style also. For all other objects listed in this dialog box, a projection style must be specified. The elevation for the object can be taken from the objects or a surface or set to manual, in which case you will be able to edit the elevation values also. Many other Civil 3D objects such as pipes, structures and surfaces do not appear in this list because they can be picked up by the sample lines for display in the section view. Just leave the default setting for all others option here and then click OK. Then just examine your section views. For example, take a look at the section station 10+50. You should now see additional information in the section view, as we have here a block which is point number 1 and style is power pole. It is our power pole which we have at the left side of our roads. So this is how you can object all objects into your section view. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned with us for more advanced videos for Civil 3D.